Consistent discipline is more important for long-term improvement in life than occasional motivation. The foundation of habits is discipline, which establishes a long-lasting framework for advancement. Although inspiration can change, discipline is a steady hand that will lead you to your objectives even when your initial passion dissipates. If you find these lessons insightful and applicable, consider subscribing to join our community. Give it a thumbs up. Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Let's begin. Number 1. Manage your screen time wisely. Spending too much time in front of screens, especially in the morning, can really have a negative impact on your mental well-being and how productive you are. So it's something worth keeping in mind. It's really important to be mindful of how much time we spend in front of devices in the morning. Doing so can help us reduce stress and stay focused on what's important. Did you know that screens actually emit blue light? This sneaky light might mess with your body's natural sleep cycle, causing potential sleep troubles. Pretty wild, right? Furthermore, the flood of information pouring in via emails, social media, and news outlets has the potential to amplify stress levels. By curbing excessive screen time, individuals can cultivate a tranquil and sharpened beginning to their day. Engaging in this technique allows for a thoughtful shift into the day, fostering clear thinking and a favorable outlook for the upcoming duties. Number 2, make quality sleep a top priority. Getting a good night's sleep is absolutely crucial for your overall well-being. It has a profound effect on your physical health, cognitive abilities, and emotional strength. In order to accomplish this, it is absolutely essential to adhere to a regular sleep routine. Establishing a consistent sleep schedule by going to bed and waking up at the same time every day will do wonders for regulating your body's internal clock, thereby improving the effectiveness of your sleep cycles. Enhancing the ambiance of your sleeping space can greatly enhance the quality of your sleep. Creating the perfect sleep environment requires a few key elements: a cozy mattress, just the right room temperature, and a peaceful ambience free from distractions like noise and light. By giving priority to these things, you'll create an environment that's perfect for getting some quality shut-eye. And the best part, it'll have a great impact on your mood, energy levels, and cognitive function all day long. Number 3, mind your health. Understanding the deep link between personal health and life satisfaction, putting in the effort to keep a healthy lifestyle is a vital piece of the puzzle for overall well-being. This involves eating your greens and getting a good night's sleep. The long-term benefits go the extra mile, reaching far beyond physical health to include mental and emotional toughness. Putting personal health first not only boosts energy levels, but also adds fuel to the fire for better mood and cognitive function. Furthermore, getting into the swing of good habits from the get-go can nip chronic illnesses in the bud, paving the way for a better quality of life down the road. Putting your best foot forward in nutrition, sweating it out with regular physical activity, and taking care of yourself like there's no tomorrow lay the groundwork for a healthier and more satisfying life. Number 4, embrace mindful, leisurely activities. In the midst of the fast-paced and busy nature of contemporary life, it becomes crucial to integrate attentive and leisurely activities to ensure the upkeep of one's mental well-being. Indulging in activities such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, or even a leisurely stroll offers a delightful antidote to the hustle and bustle of our daily lives. Engaging in these activities helps people stay in the present, promoting a peaceful state of mind and alleviating stress. By purposefully decelerating, individuals might attain mental clarity, sharpen concentration, and foster fortitude in maneuvering through the demands of a fast-paced existence. Number 5, pay attention to minor annoyances. When it comes to leading a more satisfying life, tackling minor irritations in our everyday surroundings can have a profound effect. From a squeaky door hinge to a leaky faucet or a malfunctioning light bulb, these small annoyances can really add up and cause daily frustration. Investing effort into resolving such irritations not only enhances the immediate environment, but also fosters a feeling of organization and authority. This practice encourages a proactive approach to problem solving and helps prevent the buildup of unnecessary stress. By addressing these seemingly insignificant matters, people can cultivate a more balanced and enjoyable living or working space, which can have a positive impact on their overall state of being. Number 6. Limit technology. Embrace a tech-free morning routine to enhance your mood and mindfulness. Disconnect from the internet and limit electronic device use in the early hours, creating a haven for mental clarity. By starting the day with intentional detachment from technology, you free your mind from daily noise and distractions, fostering presence and mindfulness. This deliberate break allows for deeper self-connection, reflection, gratitude, and goal setting without external influences. Postponing exposure to outside stimuli empowers you to maintain emotional and mental control, setting a positive tone for the rest of the day. Reclaim your mornings as sacred for self-care and personal development by making technology work for you. Immerse yourself in the serenity of unplugged moments, avoiding the digital world. Resist the urge to dive into emails or social media upon waking, and instead engage in activities like meditation or reading. This conscious approach nurtures mental well-being and harmoniously integrates technology into your daily life. Number 7. Find personal time. Amidst the chaos of daily life, it's absolutely vital to find the bright side and seize control when it comes to valuing and appreciating the significance of personal time. This is truly a game-changing tool for enhancing personal growth and overall well-being. Devoting time to introspection and self-discovery allows individuals to connect with their deepest thoughts and emotions. Embracing solitude provides the perfect environment for introspection, allowing individuals to go deep within themselves and discover their authentic path. Embracing some quality me time isn't about being a hermit, but rather creating a cozy space for self-reflection, rejuvenation, and a little boost for the soul. It offers individuals an opportunity to rejuvenate and re-enter the arena, enhancing their capacity to recover and establish a solid foundation for improved interpersonal relationships. Number 8. Take nature walks. In the midst of the urban jungle, taking a breather in the great outdoors becomes a game changer for relieving stress and finding inner peace. Nature has a one-of-a-kind knack for offering a bird's-eye view, allowing individuals to break free from the rat race and see the big picture of the world. This practice gives you a breath of fresh air from the rat race of technology and city life, bringing down stress levels and helping you see things with a clear head, and of nature enhances overall mental health. The beauty of nature is like a breath of fresh air, filling us with wonder and making us count our blessings, which in turn helps us see the bright side of life. Being in touch with nature isn't just a walk in the park. It's a smart move for keeping your mind and emotions in check, building a stronger bond with the world, and finding inner peace. Number 9. Go the extra mile in relationships. Building meaningful connections requires taking the bull by the horns in organizing and initiating social activities. By taking the initiative to plan a meeting, making the necessary phone calls, and pulling strings to coordinate events, individuals really go the extra mile to contribute to the strength and depth of their relationships. Reaching out and connecting with friends and loved ones not only strengthens the bond between us, but also keeps those valuable relationships alive and kicking. This approach shows that they are putting their money where their mouth is, prioritizing building strong connections and making memories that will stand the test of time. Number 10, commit fully to tasks and activities. Putting one's heart into anything allows one to feel accomplished and in control of one's life in many ways. Staying completely present in the here and now yields greater and more fulfilling results than making half-hearted attempts. A dedicated attitude gives one a sense of purpose and accomplishment in any endeavor, whether it's a personal goal, a work-related activity, or just the mundane things that need doing. In addition to increasing output, this dedication helps one develop personally by hammering home the point that one's level of investment determines the return on investment of most endeavors. Number 11, take part in artistic endeavors. By giving in to one's creative side, one can realize their deepest desires and realize their full potential in life. Creative expression, whether via writing, painting, music, or any other medium, offers a one-of-a-kind opportunity for introspection and fulfillment. In the process of creating something new, people are able to express themselves emotionally, use their imaginations, and find meaning in their lives. Having fun when making things improves one's outlook on life and adds depth and richness to one's experiences. Number 12, offer assistance to those in need. An important part of developing one's own potential is finding happiness in making a positive impact on the lives of other people. Make a difference in the lives of others by mentoring or simply supporting them. Volunteering brings people together in meaningful ways, both professionally and personally, and helps them feel more connected to the world around them. Being a part of other people's triumphs strengthens one's own social and professional networks and provides an internal drive. Number 13, make meaningful connections. Reaching out to people, instead of sitting on one's hands and waiting for them to contact you, is essential in building genuine relationships. One way to build stronger relationships is to start conversations, make plans, and show real interest in other people's life. By taking the initiative, not only are current relationships reinforced, but new opportunities for meaningful encounters are also created. People foster an atmosphere conducive to relationship growth and connection cultivation when they take the initiative in communicating with one another. Number 14, balance between your online and offline relationships. To live a full, rich life in this digital age, it's crucial to consider how to strike a balance between online and real connections. It is critical to be aware of the constraints and possible downsides of online communication, despite the fact that it provides connectivity and ease. One way to foster a more positive relationship with technology is to actively limit screen time, particularly in the mornings. One way to live a fuller, more genuine social life is to prioritize offline, in-person encounters and real friendships. Rather than replacing genuine human connection, finding the correct equilibrium makes sure that technology is used as a means of communication. Number 15, always work to better yourself. The foundation of a satisfying life is a commitment to continuous self-improvement. Setting and achieving objectives, learning new skills, and embracing obstacles are all part of a lifelong journey of personal growth. A dedication to development, whether by classroom instruction, independent study, or life events, encourages flexibility and fortitude. A sense of direction and fulfillment can be enhanced by welcoming change and actively pursuing ways to better one's life in numerous areas. Being active, engaged, and receptive to life's ever-changing opportunities is ensured by this never-ending pursuit of personal progress. We hope you learned something today. Apply these principles and see how your life changes. Till next time, take care, friends.